Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Looks like Indian Navy would get a major boost after the trials of DRDO developed vertical launch short range surface to air missile from warships gets completed successfully. DRDO has planned more trial launches of this missile later this year before proceeding with the warship trials. DRDO successfully test fire two vertical launch short range surface to air missile on 22nd February 2021 at Odisha coast. The maiden launch tested the efficiency of the vertical launch system and missiles' maximum and minimum range. Both the missiles successfully intercepted the target with pinpoint accuracy. Before getting into more details, let us understand few vital information about this particular missile. During Aero India 2021, a scale model of this missile was showcased by DRDO. Seeing the physical appearance of this missile, we can clearly say that it is very much based on the Astra Beyond Visual Range air-to-air missile, but it has a different fuselage, fins and wings. The main intention of coming up with this missile by DRDO is to help Indian Navy to replace the Barak-1 Israeli shipborne point defense missiles. Indian Navy will get the canister-based missiles for its frontline warships, and it is said that each vertical launch unit will house 8 missiles to engage incoming supersonic projectiles. These vertically launched short-range surface-to-air missile will provide all-weather, night and day 360 area air defense for Indian Navy's next-generation warships. These missiles will help Indian Navy to defend their warships against various targets like sea-skimming anti-ship missiles, helicopters, fighter jets, and attack sea drones. The design specification of the vertical launch system confirmed that the vertically launched short-range surface-to-air missile will be getting a foldable wings and fins when it is under the storage of vertical launch units. Another highlight is that these missiles will get an integrated thrust vector control inside its fuselage. It is also said that these missiles will have 40 to 50 kilometers range, and it comes with an active radar seeker. The vertically launched short-range surface-to-air missile variant of Indian Navy will be integrated with the main and secondary radar system of the warship for tracking and detection purpose. The canisters are designed to launch missiles in hot mode, that is, the ignition within the canister itself, and the vertical launch unit is designed to launch these missiles in quick succession in case there's multiple incoming projectiles. Just like Indian Navy, there is another variant of the same missile which is going to be used by Indian Air Force. Indian Air Force will be offered with a truck-based mobile canister system which can be used as a short-range air defense system against aerial threats for its forward air bases and infrastructure. So that was a quick update on the recent happenings with regards to the DRDO developed vertical launch short-range surface-to-air missile. Let us hope the user trials planned for this year gets completed successfully and DRDO starts the user trials using their warships at the earliest. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.